Good morning. Today we're going to be learning about the Egyptian numeration system. Basically, all it is the way Egyptians use symbols or hieroglyphs, which are pictures, to represent numbers. Okay? I'm gonna give you two examples. The first example that I'm gonna give you is I'm gonna put those numbers in expanded notation, so it can help you. It'll be easier for you. Let me show you. Suppose we have 132. Okay, we're going to determine the place value of each number. So the 2 is in the ones place. The 3 is in the tens. The 1 is in the hundreds. Okay, so now you're going to look up here on your table, and these here represent also your place value. Here you have your ones, your tens, your hundreds, your thousands, your 10,000s, your 100,000s, and your millions. And if you notice, you have a symbol right under your place value. Okay, that's what you're going to utilize in place of your numbers. So let's look at our ones place. We have a 2. So let's look at this over here. There's our ones place. What are we going to use in place of that 1? We're going to use a staff, right? Okay, so we have a number 2 here. So we're going to need 2 staffs. Let's draw 2 staffs here. Okay, wait a minute. I'm sorry. I said I was going to do it in expanded notation. So since it's going to be in the ones, we're going to have 1 plus 1. So that's 2. Now we have the 3 in the tens place, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to write 10 3 times. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3. 3 tens, because there's 10, 20, 30. There's your 30. And we go to the next number. It's in the hundreds place. So how many hundreds are we going to use? Just 1. Right there. Now that we have them lined up, we're going to look up here. Okay? So there's a 1 here. What is that going to give you? A staff. There's another one. A staff. Then we have a 10. Actually we have 3 tens. So what is that going to represent? Heel bones. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3 heel bones. Then we have 100. What does 100 represent? A scroll. So let's draw a scroll. Now these symbols here represent 132. Okay? I'm going to give you another example. Suppose we have 62. Okay? Again, we're going to determine place values. Very important. Ones, tens. And the reason it's important for you to write this down is so that you can come back up here and see where your place values are. Okay? And you'll be able to see what symbol you're going to be using. So let's use the 6. 6 is in the tens place. Where's the 10? Right here. So you're going to use how many heel bones? Because that's what's under the 10. You're going to use 6 heel bones. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's go to the ones place. There's a 2 there. So here's your ones. And what does that represent? A staff. So how many staffs do we need? We need 2. 1, 2. So these symbols represent 62. Okay, I'm going to leave these examples here on the board for you because I have a worksheet that I want you to complete. There's actually two worksheets. One of them is your chart, okay, your table, in case that you can't see it, you know, you have it right in front of you. And then I'm going to give you 5 set of numbers, and I want you to put them all in the Egyptian numeration system, okay? I want you to use this system to substitute your numbers. And then we can go ahead and get started. If you want, you can work in groups, okay? Let's go ahead and get started.